Okay, let's get to it.
Scene one, take one.
The country has been founded on an idea, and that idea has been reduced to paper. The Constitution is an amazing thing. It's something that we live with every day, but we usually don't appreciate. It's been copied, it's been envied, it's been criticized, but it has formed and continues to form our daily lives in this country and in many places around the world. And it's been doing it for well over 2 centuries. Nearly 250 years later, we are still living by that piece of paper. Now, it's been said that the Constitution is much more than just a piece of paper, that it's a statement of ideals, that it's a statement of goals. And I think that's true, but one always has to start with the paper. That's what courts will read. It expresses the genius of the American experiment in democracy on this continent. I don't mean to imply that it's a perfect document. It's a very human one. I think it's important to appreciate it for what it is, a succinct and yet expansive expression of a new form of government. This course is important for anyone who either lives under the American system, wants to live under the American system, or wants to challenge the American system, because it is the point of departure for both criticism and for admiration. It's one of those things that one might say is bigger on the inside than it is on the outside. It says a lot in very few words. This is the thing. This is the Constitution of the United States. You could read the whole thing cover to cover in less than a half an hour. You might be amazed at what it says. You might be amazed at what it does not say. Is it a document or is it a window into an idea of government? You decide. I'm Lawrence Januzzi, and this is Introduction to the United States Constitution.